Hey pack leaders, this is Tim with Friends Area, protecting families by protecting the pack. Today I want to talk about how to not get liquidated on Bitmex. So, as far as I know, the most dangerous part about liquidations is entry. Because you don't get in a proper place and you just kind of stay negative and it keeps going against you, yeah, you're gonna have to protect yourself, otherwise you get liquidated. So, um, there's a few ways. What I usually would do, if you have a couple of stuff, let's say it goes negative, right? What you could do is to add more positions. You know, like one, two, or three, maybe like two parts where, you notice that it came down, but it could bounce and retrace up like maybe twice. You kind of have to predict what those levels are, maybe using Fibonacci's or whatever, and buy in more. But as you buy in more, you have to increase your position in order to kind of raise the liquidation price up a little bit too, so you have a little more room. So that's one way to do it, and I've actually done it once successfully. It was quite unnerving though, because I had a pattern that I was aiming for, and I'm kind of like, thinking to myself, like, this pattern hasn't happened. So I kept, covering my position as it kind of went against me, like almost $500. No, was it $500? I don't know, but yeah, about $500. It went down 150, another 300, another 450, and I just kept on buying more as it came down. And we're also setting your stop market as index, and that gives you a little more room for it to go down and not get liquidated. Okay. So with that, you have more swing. So if it kind of flicks down, you're good to go. It won't liquidate you. And but also buying more as it goes down gives you opportunity to then lower that bar down, so that when it does come up, you get into profit earlier instead of way at the top where you kind of didn't buy in at. Okay. So adding more to positions at lower points will help. Okay. And what I always do is, when I'm in profit, I always do a stop market in profit. But when you do stop market in profit, you need to switch that from index to last price, because if it hits that, you want to then get out, because you want to be getting out in profit. If you put index, it'll actually put you into negative, and then waiting for the market of Bitmex or whatever is, and other exchanges to kind of average out to that price. You're actually losing more by the time you get out. Okay, so I would do the index if I'm already in negative and I don't want to get liquidated. I want to stay in position in order to hopefully get back into positive. But if I'm already in positive, I would do it last price, so that I get out in profit. Okay, so that's another way to do it. Also, to not get liquidated, what you could do in the beginning is to open up a position with low leverage, 5x, 10x, whatever. As soon as you're in profit, lock it in with a stop market in profit with a last price instead of index price. Okay, and then rank the and then crank the leverage up to max, because the leverage only matters if it goes against you. But if you're in profit, you could crank the leverage out, pull the equity out, and you can use that somewhere else, so that when it doesn't go against you, you just sell out. And that's the way you won't get liquidated, because you have a stop market there protecting you. And also make sure you click on the reduce only checkbox, because if you don't, if it goes against you and you don't have enough balance to cover that, it will cancel your stop market, and thus incur more losses and eventually stop marketing you out. So hopefully that's helped. If you want to know more in detail on how that's done, you can definitely we can talk about that in our Discord. We have a Discord link below. You can join our group, and you can. We have some Bitmex channels that I'll post some stuff here and there, or whatever videos I post up. So we can have a discussion there, and you need more detail, I can create some videos for that, and eventually, if need be, I might be able to create a little Bitmex training class for you guys to get going. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching this show. It's all about helping you guys, so that you guys can provide for your families and be able to work from home, and stay with this little guy and instill values to them as he grows up, because those times they grow by so fast, and He's only 2 months now, and my other guy, he's 1.5 years already, but he's getting so strong so fast. So, and then my daughter's already 6, and 10 more years she's gonna be in college. So that's gonna go by real fast too. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. Just comment below and hit the like button and share this if it's helpful to you, and go from there. So I can create some new videos. Thanks.